Boom, bada bing. It's your Nah, fam. I ain't about that life. Basically, I'm back with another reaction video. Now, I'm supposed to be reacting to reactions, but I'm going to make my first 10 actual reactions of videos, and then I'm going to start reacting to my man, Dan and Kaz and all those, man. You know, so I can, you know, spot the things that I miss in the reactions. You feel me? So I'll be like, oh, yeah, them ones. So basically today, boy KSI dropped another one featuring Anne-Marie, beats by Digital Farm Animals. I think it's the beat that they made. I don't know though. Let me know. So basically, we're gonna react. So let's get right into it. Let's go in.
Don't play games with my heart. Ooh-wee. Now the feels hit me differently. When the hidden is deep, don't play. Don't play.
Wait. Is that a boxing thing? Is that kickboxing? Because I saw some people kicking in the back. Or was that just me?
Yeah.
Where is it?
Now the feels hit me
There are people kicking. So, we'll find out, innit? We'll find out. Cool.
differently. When the hidden is deep, don't play. Don't play.
KSI is looking bolo though. he did that. Yeah, he intentionally did that. The whole, yeah, I'm here. He did that. I see what you're doing, bro. I see what you're doing.
Don't play games with my heart. Ooh-wee. Now the feels hit me differently. When the hidden is deep, don't play.
I'm pretty. You know, remember his first boxing match with Weller? He was swinging like that. Let me just keep quiet. Let's carry on.
Don't play.
All that time on your own with me. We had fun on the 360. I helped you get out UAV. Still could never get you that AC. Sneaking in school just to get by you. I'm obsessed with the scent on you. Coco Chanel on your neck with your body in check. Loving all the time with you. But now you've just gone missing. You're airing all my wishes. You're online but still won't listen. My time is you dismiss.
This guy's come there. He's come far. His flows make sense now. Like, they've always made sense, but this time he's got different styles. He's like very volatile. It's crazy. Volatile, versatile. I said volatile. Actually, he is volatile. He goes kind of, but he's also versatile. That's what I meant. Let's carry on. Damn, is this me, fam?
This isn't no way two-way street. I'm playing sad and it's on repeat. Got me here hoping you see my.
Wagwan. It's Corona, you know. I mean, it's not the first one where people wanted toilet rolls, but damn. Okay.
Snap, 'cause I'm not ready for us to ride. No.
Don't play games with my heart. Ooh-wee.
Oh! Did Anne-Marie get bullied in college? And so she's learning how to fight for revenge. I mean, that's what it looks like, right?
Don't play games with my heart. Ooh-wee. Now the feels hit me differently. When the hidden is
I'm right. She got bullied. They picked on her. She's back for revenge. She's training for revenge. Okay, cool. Let's see this.
deep, don't play. Don't play. Don't play games with my heart. Now the feels hit me differently. When the hidden is deep, don't play. Don't play. All the things you do, yeah, I think I've seen it all before. Seen it all.
I just realized my mic was muted. Basically, all I said was, she's seen it before, so it's revenge. She's back for revenge. That's what's going on. She's staying in the back for now, innit? And then, I think, I don't know, man.
Everything you're saying, yeah, I think I've heard it all before. Yeah, I've heard it all before. If you don't give me your time, then I ain't giving you mine. If you're gonna...
Yeah, I'm really ready for the smoke, though. She's definitely not ready for the smoke. I can't wait. She better take revenge. I want to see it.
Every game you're playing, yeah, boy, I played them all before. And I win them all.
Cause now you've just gone missing. You're airing all my wishes. You're online but still won't listen.
We don't know when they wear black. It's like, now they're getting serious. Why is he always wearing black when they get serious? Like, look at this. She's ready. She don't smoke. She's on smoke. Let's go.
You're airing all my wishes. You're online but still won't listen. My time is you dismissing. This isn't no way a two-way street. I'm playing sad and it's on repeat. Call me here hoping you see my snap. Cause I'm not ready for us to ride. No.
Don't play games with my heart. Ooh-wee. Now the feels hit me differently. When the hitting is deep, don't play. Don't play, yeah. Don't play games with my heart. Ooh-wee. Now the feels hit me differently. When the hitting is deep, don't play. Don't play, yeah.
Whoa. That effect is just too exaggerated. She's so stars. She's so stars. That's mad. Again, I'm talking to nothing. Anyway, I said, look, I bought KSI. Anne-Marie won the thing. KSI coached it. So, that's the end of this one. Yeah? Peace out. I'll catch you, man, in the next video. You feel me? In a bit.